seems to be that I need to find something to ground myself, otherwise I'm lost. And the only way is I can find the ground, or at least the thoughts related to the grounds, within the religion, the original principle of all the religion. Minimize the interpretation between me and the principle. That's
essentially is the point you're trying to make.
We believe in things, and we don't know why we believe in things, personally. And I wanted to share with you the fact that the process of believing possibly is unknown to us. And if we place awareness over it, then we can select what to believe and what not, and how to believe.